In this lesson, we're going to take a look at the views, some of the visibility settings, and how you can leverage view templates to help you set up other views. So right now I'm just looking at a floor plan. And in the properties of this floor plan, there's a visibility graphic setting where when I bring this dialog box up, it allows me to control the visibility of what I'm seeing. I have model categories, and within the model categories, there's individual categories that allows me to override for this particular view to achieve what I want. I have annotation categories, any imported items, and even though these may not be in the view, there's a lot of CAD drawings that are linked in for details, but they're not necessarily in this view. This is just, if they were, I can control individual layers within those imported categories. And then there's work sets. And we'll get into work sets, but you can have items in your drawing belong to work sets and you can globally turn them off. So multiple categories can belong to the same work set, and this is an easy way to control the visibility. If I had a Revit model linked in here, I could go into the host view of that Revit model and actually control the settings of a linked model. And then design options, in my particular view, if there's a design option that I want to see, I can control it. And we're going to go over several lessons on work sets and design options, which will make a lot more sense. But within these visibility settings, a lot of times, especially when I create foundation plans and you have unique cut planes and items like that, you can never get anything to look correctly. But in one particular view, it looks right. And you want to be able to apply those settings from that view to another view. And that's where view templates are a good utility. If you right click on a view, you can say create view template from view. And then when I could do this, I could say KHAV standard floor plan, or maybe standard foundation plan. I can make some standard view templates that once I'm happy with the way all the model and annotation components look and my cut planes are correct, I might as well save that as a view template. Once I create the name, the view template dialog box pops up and it tells me that I have this particular view template. Now within this template you can see the items that are included and not included. You have your scale, you have any kind of visibility graphics override, your view range, which is your cut plane, different phases, the discipline. I scroll over a little bit, you have an include check mark here. So if for some reason you want to save a lot but not everything, you can remove those check marks, and when you apply that view template to a different view, it will ignore the ones that you do not have a checkbox in front of. This is a very powerful tool. I use it all the time, especially on foundation plans. If I go and create some new view because of an option, can't get my footers or something to look right, I just go create a view template from a different foundation view, and then once I have that view template, I can go to another view and I could say apply view template, and then I could pick it and select OK. And it'll apply that template to that view, and that way I could be assured that I'm very consistent with my objects and annotation and cut planes, and everything's going to look and print the same way.